Nii Kpakpa Quartey, a management and financial consultant, has urged the youth of Ghana to vote to retain the ruling MPP government led by His Excellency Nana Addo Danquah Akoffo come December 7th when they go to the polls. According to him, the MPP, through its free SHS policy, has set Ghana on course for accelerated development. He said nations develop not only by virtue of their natural resources, but by the quality of their intellectual human resources. He explained this during a virtual rally held by the Hope Campaign Group in Accra.
Now, when I look and consider quietly, I see that this is the exact same thing that His Excellency Nana Addo Danquah Akoffo has done for the generations of Ghanaians yet unborn, because he has guaranteed for each qualifying child free senior high school education, so that none of them will be left behind. This is by far the greatest blessing to have been bestowed on our dear nation since independence, and I'll explain to you why. When we talk about free SHS, everyone gets excited because it's free. But for me, free SHS is not great only because it's free. It's actually great because generations after us will get the chance to become far better versions of the Ghanaian than we are today. For me, free SHS is not great only because it's free. It's actually great because Ghana will always have the intellectual resource it needs to propel the engines of innovation, science, and technology. For this is what we need to advance as a nation. And I'm really excited for Ghana because Nana Addo Danquah Akoffo has placed us on the path to accelerated development. We must know and understand this so that we will not make a mistake and then move back to where we were previously.
The #1 virtual rally is the second of many such virtual rallies organized by the Hope Campaign, a pro-MPP campaign group famous for their innovative and peaceful campaigns in the country. A report by Naa Korkoi Mensah for EB News, Accra.